Welcome back to Maddie English Practice. I'm Maddie.
And I'm Jules. Today, we are looking at two words that are perfect twins when you speak out loud, but they are completely different when you write them down.
A perfect sound alike. Those are always a huge trap for spelling. What are the words today?
The words are weather and weather.
Weather and weather. Yes, they sound exactly the same. But if you mix them up in a text message or an email, it changes your sentence completely.
Exactly. Let's start with the one we talk about every single day. Weather, spelled W-E-A-T-H-E-R. This is the noun. It means the rain, the snow, the sunshine, or the temperature outside.
Right. A great memory trick for this one is that it has the word eat hiding right in the middle of it, E-A-T. And you can eat outside when the weather is nice.
That is a brilliant memory trick. Let's look at a real scenario. Imagine you are planning a big weekend picnic with all of your friends.
But you look out your living room window and the sky is completely dark gray. It looks like a storm is coming.
So you pull out your phone, open your app, and look at the rain forecast. You are checking the weather.
Perfect. Now let's look at the second word, weather, spelled W-H-E-A-T-H-E-R. This is not a thing you can feel. It is a grammar word. It introduces a choice or a doubt between two different options.
Yes, you will almost always see this word standing near the word or. It is all about making a decision.
Let's use a real scenario. Imagine you are at an amazing Italian restaurant. You're staring at the menu and you are completely stuck.
Ugh, I hate that feeling. Everything looks so delicious and you only get to pick one thing.
Exactly. You turn to your friend and say, I don't know whether to order the pizza or the pasta. You have two choices and you are introducing the decision.
You also hear it used a lot with the phrase or not to express a doubt, like, I don't know whether or not I should go to the gym tonight.
Let's give our learners the ultimate test. Let's put both of these words into the exact same sentence.
Oh, a double challenge. Okay, how about this? I don't know whether we should go to the beach because the weather looks terrible.
That is a perfect sentence. The first one is the choice, weather. The second one is the rain, weather.
Your homework for today, think about a choice you have to make today. Are you deciding between two different shoes to wear or deciding what to eat for dinner? Practice making a sentence out loud using the WH choice word, weather.
Knowing how to spell these two words correctly will make your written English look so much more professional. You've got this.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep growing.
Whatever the weather, keep practicing. See you next time on Maddie English Practice.